Oh my God, Alex, look at those lumps.
They're just so big and out there.
I know, like, man, gotta admit.
I like big rocks and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. When you walk into the kitchen space and granite's in your face, you get sprung. Cause the continental crust is made up of that stuff. Not like the oceanic. It got more basalt than granite. Metamorphic and sedimentary. Igneous, get wary. I wish someone would've warned me, but a song about rock
Can get real corny.
Ooh, igneous rocks, extrusive ones basalt. They cool very quickly on Earth's surface that we see. Then we have intrusive, slow cooling included beneath Earth's surface where it's hot like a furnace. I'm tired of magazines saying diamonds are the things. Take a scientist that's off the clock and he picked igneous rocks. So fellas, has Earth got a lot of rocks? Heck yeah! Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake those sturdy rocks. Earth got rocks. The Earth got rocks. I like them round and big. When I go for a dig, let's hope I get some metamorphic. They're so euphoric. One type of rock is nice. This is nice, nice. Deformation of different rocks is how these rocks get on the block. I'm talking heat and pressure, or all the above together. That gives you rock that's neat. These things can take the heat. Got bands and folded layers. Sedimentary is later, but how about soon? Cause we're almost through with this tune. Sediments are the last one that come up in the song, with different layers of material like unconsolidated minerals. Sedimentation and cementation of pre-existing rock. Weathering and compaction are happening around the clock. Animal shells and fossil bones can be found in some limestones, and then there's sandstones. Don't forget about mudstones. Sedimentary are all around, just take a look through the town. But what makes up rocks? Nice granite and basalt. Silicates are the prime ones. Feldspars and quartz are just some. Rocks come in different colors, texture, size, and structure, with designs and layers. Love them or you're a hater. So now we know about stones. Smart figure out rocks take home. So the next time you see a rock, go back and give us a thought. My EAS class don't want none unless you got rocks, hun.